So here I am on Tesla again. I did a previous video that it will crash after the Q3 financial reports. It didn't. It flew up to 1002 and I got ridiculed for why. Okay, I didn't understand why, but they managed to push it all the way up. Of course, it's crashing down now. My valuation for Tesla, it will still be at $700. Not more than that. If I put in safety net, it will probably be about $500 plus to $600 plus dollars. That's the best I can give for now. I'm gonna make one video on Rivian also about how ridiculous the valuation is right now, especially for Rivian. That's crazy, man. As for Tesla wise, let us do some simple technical analysis, how the price is gonna pan out. A simple Fibonacci from the $300 plus dollars all the way up until here. Just look at the jump here. So this is probably the 100%. I'm sorry for those who purchase up there, because I'll be honest, if based on valuation, it's really not possible. There's been so many reports, there's so many analysis institutions doing their own analysis of Tesla, and they have clearly mentioned that unless Tesla is making as much money as people like Amazon, Facebook, Google, it's impossible for it to maintain this valuation, this price. So I do not know why are there so many blind faithful buyers of Tesla that die want to hold at this price. If you bought at 1002, trust me, you will want to sell it. Of course, it may go up $3,000 in a couple of years time. Okay, that is if they make other plans. $1,200 valuation, it's possible unless they own 51% of the total market share. 51%. You know how big that is? Right now, this is slightly below the midpoint and probably may go down lower, start touching MA30, break MA30, go to MA50, and then all the way down to the bottom Bollinger Band. Now let's take a look at the weekly and see how it is. Okay, for weekly wise, at last it broken up of the Bollinger Band. The MACD is retreating because it's at extremely high level. Look at the MACD. Wow, this is one of the highest MACD I've ever seen, man. Okay, so may go down and to touch the midpoint, bare minimum. Okay, so when it a couple of days or a couple of weeks, 2 weeks later, it probably will be at 800 plus. So it might take half a month more to reach to 800 plus for Tesla. It might, go back up or sideways. It's possible, definitely. But for any serious, substantial catalyst, I will not buy Tesla now. Not even at $900. Okay, $800, maybe $700, maybe $600. Yes, $500. Yes, but not now. Not at $1,000, not at $900, no way. Let's draw some trend lines, simple trend line. Actually, don't even need to draw horizontal lines because we see that the first level of support is at $900. So it should break $900 pretty soon if you ask me. Okay, MA30 is a matter of time. Okay, but let's just, for the benefit of doubt, let's just, this is it. This is the level of support. Just nice landing at the MA 61.8%. Okay, let's see. Look at the immediate support and resistance. Sorry for the mess, but it's very closely knitted. So this is what I have for Tesla. Hate me if you want to, but this is my true belief that Tesla is seriously overvalued and is seriously in the bubble. It is a good company. It is very forward-looking, very strong company, but the valuation has been exploded beyond belief. It's not a good time to buy. So if they have a blind army of retail investors buying it, then probably you should be fearful.